Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel then welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and do like, share, comment, and do suggest me if there is any look or anything new you want me to try. I'll do my best to do it. So today's video is all about one eyeshadow palette and the different uses of it. So today I will be using this Revolution Pretty Strong eyeshadow palette. I will be using it as a highlighter, blusher, eyeshadow, and even to make my eyebrows. I have already done my base makeup, as you can see. So rest of the things, eyes, blusher, and my eyebrows, I'm going to do by using only this palette. So let me give you a closer look of this palette. So this is the palette. This too can be used as highlighter. This one over there can be used as blusher, and this one over here can be easily used to do my eyebrows. So I will be doing this makeup look using only this palette. So let's see how it goes.